Hey everyone, have you ever tried to get critical weather data from a remote field? You know the deal. It's usually a mess of cobbled together systems, constant failures, and data you can't really trust. Well, today, we're going to look at something that aims to solve all of that in one go. The all-in-one agricultural weather station by Honde Technology.
So here's our plan for today. First, we're going to dig into the real challenge of getting good weather data. Then, we'll see how Honde's integrated solution is built to survive the outdoors while you can actually trust its data and where it's already making a huge difference. And finally, we'll look at exactly what you get in the complete package.
All right, let's kick things off with the core problem, the challenge of weather data. Why is it so incredibly hard to get reliable data? If you're in agriculture or environmental monitoring, you already know the struggle. You're trying to piece everything together from different devices. It's expensive, it's a total headache, and the minute a big storm rolls in, the whole thing just gives up.
So really, it all comes down to this one question, doesn't it? How do you get accurate, real-time weather data from the middle of a field without having to constantly drive out there for maintenance or just worrying that your expensive gear is about to break? That is the big question.
And that's exactly where this comes in. The Honde integrated solution. It's all about one device giving you total awareness. This was designed from the ground up to be the answer to that exact problem.
So what does all-in-one really mean here? Well, it means that this one single, highly integrated device does the job of a whole collection of bulky, traditional equipment. What you get is a system that's way simpler, far more reliable, and honestly, a lot easier on the budget.
And the key features are just so practical. For starters, it's solar-powered, so you can literally set it and forget it. All the data streams in real time straight to your computer or your phone. And get this, it tracks over 10 crucial parameters all from one compact unit. It's pretty amazing.
But look, smart features don't mean a thing if the device can't survive a hailstorm, right? That's why this next part is so important. It's designed for the outdoors, and it is built to withstand pretty much anything the elements can throw at it.
This picture says it all. On the left, you see the high-quality, UV-resistant ASA material that Honde uses. And on the right, well, that's what happens to standard ABS plastic after it's been cooked by the sun. It gets yellowed, brittle. That one material choice makes a massive difference for how long this thing is going to last out in the field.
And check out this clever detail. It might seem like a small thing, but if you've ever had a sensor get knocked offline because a bird decided to build a nest on it, you know how frustrating that is. This design actively prevents that from happening, which saves you maintenance trips and, more importantly, prevents you from losing data.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This isn't just a marketing feature. A verified customer from Spain specifically pointed out the anti-bird pen and the maintenance-free design as a huge advantage. That's real-world proof that these small engineering choices have a big impact.
Okay, so we know it's tough, but what about the data itself? Because for any professional use, accuracy is everything. It's non-negotiable. So let's look at how Honde makes sure you get data you can absolutely trust.
First off, just think about the sheer amount of data you're getting from one single spot. This device measures up to 11 key parameters. We're not just talking temperature, humidity, wind, and rain, but also complex metrics like evapotranspiration, or ET0, which is absolutely vital for precision agriculture. And this is not just a claim they're making. This is a look at the official calibration certificate. For core metrics like temperature, wind, and rainfall, you can see the results easily meet those super strict error requirements. This is what certified professional-grade accuracy actually looks like on paper.
That certification is earned through some seriously punishing tests in professional labs just like these. On the left, you can see them being calibrated in a wind tunnel, and on the right, they're being subjected to extreme heat and cold in temperature chambers. This is a real commitment to quality.
Lab data is one thing, but real-world performance, that's the ultimate test. So where is this station actually being used, and what are people saying about it? The applications are just incredibly diverse. It's a core tool for digital agriculture and smart irrigation, sure, but it's also being used to monitor highways, protect sensitive ecosystems, and even track conditions in grasslands and out on the oceans. The versatility is really impressive.
And check this out. A user in the United States highlights its value in farming, specifically calling out that advanced ET0 parameter we just talked about. This is direct confirmation that it's delivering the kind of high-level data that modern agricultural operations completely depend on.
So let's pull all of this together and look at what makes this a truly complete, ready-to-deploy solution right out of the box.
And this picture shows you exactly what you get. It's the whole shebang. You get the station, the solar panel, the 4G module for data transmission, and even a soil sensor. It's a complete, self-sufficient monitoring kit, totally ready for a fast and simple installation the day you get it.
So, when you boil it all down, the crucial point is this. Honde Technology has combined incredibly durable hardware, certified accurate data, and a genuinely low-maintenance design, all into one single integrated system. It's an elegant solution designed to just plain work. And ultimately, it all connects back to the Honde mission, which is to make our life better. By providing accessible, reliable data, they're empowering all of us to make smarter decisions about our environment and our resources. Thanks for checking this out with me today.